Hi, dear students from HEC University. My name is Rufino Lucon. I'm from Guatemala, and in this session of CultureLab, we're going to talk about the Christmas traditions in Latin America. These traditions are related with religion, of course, and we have the main celebration, the Christmas Eve, on December 24. One of the most beautiful and well-known traditions, it's the Christmas tree. We make this Christmas tree by the beginning of December, and we put many beautiful things like spheres and lights of different colors, and we have something similar here. And these are very popular, and we can find those trees in public places and inside homes. Also, we have the nativity scenes. We can find those representations in public places, near churches, and of course inside home. And those nativity scenes represent the exact moment of the birthday of Jesus Christ. Those scenes have many interesting things, like representation of little baby Jesus Christ, Saint Joseph, Saint Mary, three wise men, and of course a shining star. Also, we have the gifts for Christmas. It's common to see many families, and during this celebration they like to exchange gifts with friends, close friends, and try to share some memories and happiness. And it's interesting that sometimes we have secret friends also to exchange those gifts. Also, we cannot leave behind the Christmas dinner. In many countries of Latin America, we have different recipes. Those recipes with chicken, turkey, or for example in Guatemala we have the tamales. Those tamales are made with corn dough, also with chicken or pork, and we can combine those dishes with delicious drinks. Also, there are other celebrations in the Christmas season. For example, the New Year Eve on December 21st, and the Three Wise Men Day on January 6th. This is an important celebration in the Catholic tradition because it congratulates the coming of the Jesus Christ to the earth. And I want to give you my congratulations to all of you in this Christmas season, and see you in the next Culture Lab with the topic of Carnival. Thanks.